everyone, it's CJK from How to Make Stuff, and in today's tutorial I'm going to walk over with you the step-by-step process on how to make your ordinary everyday pillowcase. I do have another tutorial on this channel outlining how to make a pillowcase that has lace on it. That one's a little bit trickier to make, and it might be better for some of you who are a little bit more experienced with sewing. I will provide a link to that at the end of this video, but without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Find the fabric you want to use for this project. If you don't have enough of one fabric at home, I sometimes find it helpful to use two fabrics, one for the front of the pillowcase and one for the back. For this video, I've chosen a fun fabric with avocado prints for both the front and the back of the pillowcase. Next, you will need to cut out two rectangular pieces and overlock the edges I'm pointing out here. You may have noticed that one rectangle is slightly longer than the other here. This is so that when you have finished making the pillowcase, one inner lining inside of the pillowcase is marginally longer than the other. I'll show you what I mean by the end of this video. The dimensions I have used for these two rectangles are 86 by 49 centimeters for the first rectangle and 94 by 49 centimeters for the second rectangle. For those of you who are interested, I will provide a PDF document outlining this for you to download in the description below. Next, you need to draw a line onto the fabric along the lines I'm showing you here, using a fabric marker. For the longer rectangle, draw the line 17 centimeters from the edge as indicated, and for the smaller rectangle, draw the line 10 centimeters from the edge. This will also be outlined in the PDF document for you to download below. A quick note about fabric markers. The fabric marker I love to use is this one, which I bought from my local Daiso store. It looks like a texter and enables you to make accurate markings onto your fabric in a really quick way. Not only that, but you can run it under some tap water and it will completely disappear before your eyes. I'll show you what I mean. Alternatively, using just a normal chalk fabric marker or whatever fabric marker you have should do just fine. Once that's been done, fold the fabric along the line you drew on the fabric like I'm showing you here. Do this for both of the rectangles. They should then be roughly about the same size after you have folded them. After that's been done, it should look something like this. Flip one over so that the right sides are facing each other and lay them on top of each other like I'm showing you here. You will then need to sew along the three edges like I'm showing you here. Sew and overlock the three edges. Before I go on any further, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button, as that would help me immensely to get more views of this video, and also consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like these. Once that's all been done, flip the pillowcase inside out and begin the process of inserting your pillow into your pillowcase. As mentioned earlier, I have another video on my channel on how to make a pillowcase that has lace around the edges. If you're interested in that tutorial, click on the link here at the end of this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!